Can't lie to you good people, the mess of everything being everywhere is starting to get to me. We are working on the fireside wall. We're just wetting down the area. Fireboard's going to go on this. That one, just about to dot and dab it on. So yeah, I'm just going to mix up a bucket of adhesive and we'll get ourselves sorted and film a bit of putting this dot and dab onto the wall, and then we're going to, I think, cut insulation for the ceiling and start doing that, and then maybe try and lift a few boards. We'll see. Right, it's been dotted and dabbed and it's in situ. It's just been braced up for now because I wanted to infill underneath, so I've just got that bracing the adhesive underneath because obviously the wall goes off like a madman. We're now just moving on to insulating the ceiling. Oh yeah, and we've got a new fuse board, which is why, for the first time, there's light! There's light in the room! I can't lie to you good people, the mess of everything being everywhere is starting to get to me. So, I think, like, all of this just lying about, I need to make a little shelving bit or something, so I'm thinking this area, and I have a door that I've removed from this cupboard, which is there. I can maybe utilise that as some sort of surface. I don't want to waste a lot of timber on making legs and stuff like that, to be honest. Best noise in the world. Bring with a sword one. Right. Bendy banana piece of timber that is ridiculous. So let's use that. do. To be honest, I don't really know if it's better or not, but it gives us a bit more space in here, which is, yeah, handy. Excellent. We've done something very silly. We've ordered 2 tons of wood to be delivered in about 2 hours, and we don't have anywhere to stack it. Some of it's semi-dried, so that's going down to the garage somewhere, and the other ton is ready to rock and roll. So what we're doing now is make a wood store. Obviously time is a big issue here because the wood's kind of going to be here quite soon. So I just need something. It's not going to be amazingly pretty, and I don't have time to buy any timber, so this is purely made from stuff I've got lying about. The base is an old pallet that previous stuff arrived on, and I'm just going to use whatever. Probably. Guess what arrived? Taking shape, so. Ooh. As often tends to happen, rain has stopped play just now, so there she sits. We're yeah, the wood arrived. So yeah, we're stacking it anywhere. It's a strange thing, this, because it's repetitive and pretty boring, but it's nice when it all goes up. It does look a bit more like something rather than, is it? Yeah. Slowly but surely. Well, great bit of work today. Our drone along to help out. Great help. We've got all this insulation put up. Pretty much the whole ceiling's done as well. And we even got the first bit of plasterboard up on the roof. The adhesive for this has all went off. So that's rock solid now. So that's all fixed in. Ready for the stove guy to come. And yeah. Progress is being made.
Begging me and steal my shoes, even though they've seen some use. Dear to me, less so for you. Why would I sing songs for you? Dip my pockets, cut my purse. Day by day you're getting worse. There's the line, but I was first. There you stood, my private curse. And it's gonna be a long, cold winter.